Today I'm going to show you how to add DropInBlog to your SamCart site. I'm already on the back end of SamCart, but before I begin, just to note, we're going to assume that you've already set up a product and you have a landing page created for that product. And we'll be showing you how to add DropInBlog to an existing product page. Okay, perfect. On the top menu, we'll select Products. And then you're going to go to the product page where you want to add your blog. We have a test page here, which is a 3-day photography course. So I'm going to edit this one. On the right-hand side, we will hover over Design and then select that. This will open up the page editor in a new tab. And you're going to scroll down the page to where you would like to place your blog on that page. I'm going to place ours near the top. So once you pick a spot, on the bottom right-hand corner, you'll select Custom HTML and drag and drop that over. Now, make a note of this blue line here versus, say, the green line here. I'm going to go ahead and paste that where I chose, right on the blue line. And this has a custom HTML block for us now. Basically, what those lines mean is when you're adding the custom HTML block to this page, a green line will indicate that you're adding the block into an existing row, while a blue line means that you're creating a whole new row. And we recommend that you place DropInBlog onto its own row, just like I did here. You can see on the right-hand side that opened up an HTML box to paste our code. So we're going to go over to DropInBlog. If you don't have that open, go ahead and open it on another tab. Once you're there, select Code and Layout on the top menu, and then copy Step 1's code. Go back to SamCart, paste that in the box, go back over to DropInBlog, copy Step 2's code, go back over to SamCart again, we'll hit Enter, and then paste that code in there. And right here, we need to click out of the content block or the HTML block. So let's click up right there. Perfect. And scroll to the top of the page and select the blue Publish button. Once that loads, a new page will open, and we can go ahead and select this eye icon, which is the preview. Perfect. And we can see that DropInBlog looks to have already integrated over to SamCart, but we do have one more step. Go ahead and copy that whole URL at the top, and then go over to DropInBlog, go to Settings on the top menu, and then under Blog URL, we want to paste that in, and at the end of your URL, we're going to add hashtag dib-posts. Perfect. What this does is it basically jumps your viewers down the page to your blog when they view a blog post or when they perform a blog search. So once you add that at the end of your URL, scroll down and select Save All Changes. Perfect. And then we can go back to our SamCart, and we see that we have our blog. Each article has successfully integrated over, and that is how you add DropInBlog to your SamCart site. Happy blogging!